Hello, I'm Amelia. Welcome to Gmelius release notes for February 2025. A new month means new ways to make your inbox work smarter, not harder. We've got some exciting updates rolling out to help you spend less time sorting through emails and more time on what really matters, whether that's brainstorming big ideas, tackling creative projects, or just enjoying life. Stick around for a quick rundown of what's new in February, plus an exclusive sneak peek at what's coming next. Let's dive in. Introducing team read statuses for shared emails. Ever wondered who on your team has read a conversation in your shared inbox? With this new and highly requested functionality, you'll have clear visibility for better collaboration and accountability. You will find a new I button icon when you access a shared conversation. Hover over the I icon to check who in your team has read a specific message. We've introduced many changes to streamline your workflow on the go. First up, your email list view just got a major boost. You'll now see avatars, enjoy faster performance, and get more accurate real-time updates to keep things running seamlessly. And here's another game changer, faster file access on mobile. You can now preview certain attachments right inside your conversations on the RA Mobile Progressive Web app. No downloads needed. Ready to check it out? Head to app.gmelius.com on your smartphone and see the improvements for yourself. Now, let me tell you a bit more about what you can expect in the coming weeks. We've got some exciting developments on the horizon that we're eager to share with you. From new products to improvements in our current offerings, there's a lot to look forward to. Let our new AI agents sort and dispatch new incoming emails or draft replies to emails while you sleep, literally. Our Game Changer update coming in March introduces new AI agents and AI email assistants that will tag new emails based on their context, dispatch conversations to your teammates, or tirelessly drafts email replies around the clock, mirroring your unique style and tone. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, pure magic in action. We're putting it through its paces internally, and the results are nothing short of enchanting. I'm personally very looking forward to having my own assistant. Sign up for our brand new product built for Google Workspace to be released this early spring. Backup Space is a new product by Gmelius that provides full automated backups of your company's Google Workspace data, such as Gmail and Google Drive, ensuring your information is secure, recoverable, and always under your control. Join the exclusive waitlist now by visiting backup.space. And that's a wrap for February 2025. Thanks for watching and see you next month.